Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we will read chapter 1. The topic is determiners. A determiner determines a noun. It means that it is used before a noun and it determines the value of noun. It points out a noun. For example, if I say that I have a book, so here determiner is here a, and a is used before noun, that is why it is called determiner. Got it? And it determines the noun means it is showing the points out, it is pointing out the noun. Now there are 6 kinds of determiners here. Let us discuss one by one. Number 1, articles. There are 2 kinds of articles: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles there are 2, a and an. Article a is used before consonant sound and countable nouns. Article an is also used before countable nouns, but it is used before vowel sound. It is very important. Let us take some examples. For example, I have a book. He has a pencil. But suppose if it is giving the sound consonant, if any word that is starting with consonant sound, though it is starting with any vowel. So important thing is that here we should not see that whether the word is starting with a vowel. Important thing is that whether which sound is given, whether it is giving vowel sound or consonant sound. For example, if I say that he is dash union leader, so here in this case it will come a. He is a union leader. I have a 1 rupee note. Here the sound is again v. So v sound is here. That is why I have a 1 rupee note. Next, article an. As I told you, article an is used before vowel sound. For example, I have an eraser. It is starting with e, an eraser. But remember that if some other words they are starting with any vowel sound, though they are starting with any consonant, but sound is they are giving vowel, they will also start with an. We will add an here. For example, he is an honest man. He is an MLA. He is an honorable man. Now let us see the definite article the. My dear children, there are so many uses of this article. For example, we use article the to make any noun very particular. For example, this is the book which I lost yesterday. It means that here I have found it again. So this is the book. I am making it particular. Next, the is also used with a noun that has already been mentioned. For example, to make it particular again. Once upon a time there was a lion. The lion was sitting under a tree. So here noun has been repeated. So instead of a, we will use here in the second sentence the. I am repeating. Once upon a time there was a lion. The lion was sitting under a tree. Next, article the is also used before common noun when it represents the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. If I say that the dog, it means that we are referring all dogs. One more example, the cow feeds on grass. So it means that all the cows, the cow. So before common nouns, when they represent the whole class, we use article the. The is also used before universal facts. It may be the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the equator. For example, the earth revolves round the sun. We also use article the before directions. For example, the sun rises in the east. Article the is also used before superlative degrees. For example, Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. High, higher, highest. So highest is superlative degree. So we use article the before superlative degrees. Now my dear children, let us find that where articles are omitted. It means that where articles are not used. It is very important. It is called omission of articles. So for example, no article is used before noun when it is used in general sense. For example, if I say that man is mortal. So man is a common noun, no doubt. But actually it is not representing the whole class. So it is used here as a common noun. And remember that in general sense. So when a noun that is used in general sense, we do not use any article. Next, we do not use article before proper nouns. For example, I study in Saint Anthony's school. So Saint Anthony's, it is proper noun. I live in Udaipur. Udaipur is a proper noun. So we do not use article before proper nouns. One more thing. Articles are also not used before material noun. For example, this ring is made of gold. The chair is made of wood. So these are all matter here. Actually, so we do not use any article before material noun. Next thing is that articles are also omitted before plural nouns when they denote a class. For examples, animals can be friendly. Here animals, plural, but it denotes a class. Next point is we do not use articles before names of days, months and seasons. Very important, my dear children. For example, today it is Monday. So we do not use article before days. We do not use article before diseases. For example, he is suffering from malaria. So before malaria, no article will be used. Before breakfast, lunch and dinner also, we do not use any article. For example, I have invited him to lunch. Now let us come to next. Demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative means to point out. For example, this, that, these and those. This is used to an object that is near to us, that is far to us. These objects that are near to us and those objects that are far to us. Let us say here, this book is mine. For example, if I say this book is mine, that house is his, these are my copies. Now let us see, wait 1 minute. These copies are mine. Now there are two sentences. These are my copies and these copies are mine. Here these copies, it is a determiner. And these are my copies, it is not a determiner because just after it noun has not been used. The important thing is that noun must come. Next, those. For example, those pictures are for sale. Got it? Now let us move to next. Possessive determiners. And possessive means that show possession, ownership. So wherever we want to express ownership, we use possessive determiners. For example, it is my book. My book. After my, what is written here? Book. So Again, remember that after these possessives, noun must come. If I said that here, this book is mine, so it actually here mine is not like adjective here. It is different. It is possessive pronoun. That is different here. If I use here mine, so mine is determiner here, and determiner acts as an adjective. Next, our. It is our house. That is your pencil, which is lying on the table. Next, it is his copy. Next, that is her lunch box. Got it? So possessives, in this way they are used.